Planning for your financial well-being can sometimes feel overwhelming. However, there are 4 areas where you can take deliberate steps to keep moving forward. The first is saving. Even if it's just a little bit each month, start saving early. Use direct deposit to make saving automatic and find more savings potential by eliminating unnecessary expenses. Next is investing. Investing can provide additional growth over the long term. But before you start, there are a few questions you should answer. What are you trying to accomplish? How much risk are you comfortable with? Are you okay with not seeing a return on investments right away? Answering these questions can help you be more confident in your investing decisions. Third, be prepared for the unexpected. Beyond having an emergency fund, look into different types of insurance to help manage financial risks. These include life insurance to protect those you love, health insurance to offset high medical bills, disability income to protect a portion of your income if you're too sick or hurt to work, and property and casualty insurance to protect against the physical loss of assets. Finally, for many, the goal of financial wellness is a comfortable retirement. The last area of focus, then, is to take steps today to ensure you have different types of retirement income available later in life. One type of retirement income is to have predictable income. This is income that you can count on each and every month, like Social Security, pensions, or certain annuities. The other type is variable income. This is income that comes from assets like investments, real estate, or 401ks. During retirement, consider using predictable income to pay your fixed expenses and variable income for discretionary expenses. Building sources of retirement income takes time. As your retirement plan takes shape, keep an eye out for opportunities for tax-deferred growth and take full advantage of any employer match in your retirement plan. Saving, investing, protecting, and retiring are 4 important areas to focus on to improve your financial well-being. There's no better time than now to get started.